Hey there YouTube. Today I'm doing an unboxing, an assembly, and a video review on this Langdale fabric rocker recliner from Costco. It's item number 1288289. We paid $400 and the day after we bought it, it went on sale for $320. But they price matched and we're good to go. Alright, let's open her up carefully since this fabric. And of course, this is covered by the Costco return policy. If you don't like it, you just take it back to the store. Be sure to check their website for current terms and all that good stuff. Now to get this thing out without killing my back. Alright. Oh, okay. This is the back. Simple enough. Take that out. Here is the chair. This is, I don't know, I'm figuring it out. So, you could cut the box so you don't have to lift this out. But let's see how heavy this actually is. I think this is doable. Lift with your legs. Oh, there's a board. So definitely cut the box. Wooden frame off. Alright, and attached to the underside of the chair is the handle. And I believe this is the only hardware that you have to worry about. The handle and this bolt. There's wing nut. So yep, parts list. One handle, one bolt, one wing nut, one lock washer. Is there a lock washer on there? There is. There's one lock washer on there. So in the instructions, it makes a point to make sure that you angle the arm like a normal rocker, like that, not crazy, just like that. Simple enough. All right, so take this off. All right, put it in there. Oh, look at that. Fits right in there. And then up in here, where the handle mates to the machine, you push this in and then you screw the screw through. The wing nut goes in, lock washer, and then the other wing nut. Okay, there we go. Then remove the foam pads here. It looks like this just slips on there. And it looks like my click. Yep. Alright, that clicks on there. There we go. Alright, so I really can't mess this up. This one is labeled with the red L. Find the one with the red L. Put it on with the flat part facing down. Slide that on there. Again, got a green R, flat part facing down. Line it up, there's tracks right here, it just slides into. Done. That's a rocking chair. Oh, that's a rocking chair.
Recline.
Whoa!
I think a screw fell out.
I think a screw just fell out. A mystery screw. It's a bonus. Oh, there we go. Alright. Let's try this one more time. Whoa! That thing has some kick. I could launch something in the air. Wait for it.
Right at me.
The spring is so powerful. Gee. So one of the reasons we bought this was that actual Lazy Boys were around $689. And more importantly, they took 6 months to ship. And that's unacceptable. They couldn't even sell us the floor model. So that's why we went online, went to Costco, and we ordered it on June 30th, 2021, and it arrived on July 8th, 2021. This feels a lot like the $600 chairs that they had. It's a little firmer than the bigger Lazy Boy that I liked, but I can't wait 6 months for a chair. Of course, I can't really convey the comfort of this chair. That would be impossible. It's firm. I don't feel like it's swallowing me. It's comfortable enough. I got back support, I got neck support, got arm support here. So it lays back pretty good. I'm laid back pretty comfortably. This is its full extension. It's full recline. It doesn't go back anymore. There was one at the furniture store that I leaned back in and it clicked as it was leaning back, and I was laying pretty much parallel to the floor. I'm at a slight angle here. I think this is probably necessary to actually watch TV. The other one would have been more for sleeping. But I think this will actually fit much nicer in our nursery without taking up the entire bedroom. It is a little hard to put down. So if you're older, that might be an issue. Just using my arm, I can't even, can you get my finger? I can't even pull it closed with a finger. 2 fingers? Nope, I can't even do it with 2 fingers. You have to actually push your feet down while you're doing it. So here's a wide angle of the chair. This part on the back is Velcro, so you can reach the internals and release the top part of the chair to lift that off if you wanted to disassemble it. That has a nice Velcro there. I'm sure my cats will live in there shortly. Here's what it looks like extended. Alright, and here's the label on the bottom of the chair. It says it was made January 29th, 2021. The producer is UE Furniture Company Limited, made exclusively for handy living. I looked everywhere for this screw that fell out when I opened it the first time, and I cannot find it, or it's missing. It looks like the screws that hold on this bar here, but they're all here, so maybe it's just a bonus screw. The measurement of the lateral butt area is 21¼ inches. From back to the end of the seat here is 22½ inches. The height of the backrest is roughly 27½. I say 27 inches. The size of the armrest is 5½ inches across. Usable space on the armrest is 20 inches, front and back. So from the front of the leg rest to the top of the head is 66 inches. All right, and so the distance that this has to sit away from the wall is 11 inches. And if you totally recline, to fully recline, you have to be 17 inches away from the wall with the back of the chair.
Roughly 10 cat noses.
The cat approves. Alright, so it's 1 week later, and I gotta say, it's a pretty nice recliner. We watched some TV in it. Almost fell asleep in it multiple times, and no complaints. The dog has no complaints. The cats have been clawing it. So if you have cats with sharp nails, be advised that their nails may tear up the fabric. I think this is more of an us problem than a chair problem, since our cats like to claw things so much that we actually had to put this plastic crap on our sectional that we also got from Costco, because they were destroying this too. But like I said, that's an us problem, not a manufacturer problem. For 320 bucks on sale, pretty happy with it. I don't think you're gonna find a new chair for anywhere near that price anywhere else. Plus, the size is really nice. It's actually pretty small. Go away, cat. And it fits nicely. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post in the comments. Sometimes I don't cover everything in a video, I kind of forget stuff. You'll notice there's a lot of cuts in my videos. But if you go down in the comments and you post a question about the chair, I'll answer it. And if it's 2 years from now, this is filmed 2021, and you're like, hey, how's the chair holding up? Post a comment, I'll let you know. I hope this video helped you if you're thinking about buying it. Thanks for watching.